Well, I must say that correction has to be made. What is clear is that the MPs from the MDC Alliance have not been fired or recalled from Parliament by MDC Thokozani. They have been recalled and removed from Parliament by ZANU-PF, by Mr. Mnangagwa, together with the Speaker of Parliament, conniving to entrench authoritarianism, a one-party state, and trying to reverse the will of the people in 2018, trying to take away what they've already taken away through the presidential election when they rigged the election. So what we are seeing now is an extension of that rigging into Parliament by taking away the representatives of the people. Well, the court ruled in the Supreme Court that the MDCT must have an extraordinary Congress. And we are not MDCT, we are MDC Alliance. We have come together as the parties that were gone into different dimensions that were different and separate. You know, the part that was led by Professor Khupe, the part that was led by former Finance Minister Tendai Biti, all came together when they were invited by President Tsvangirai the late. So what we now have is MDC Alliance and MDCT as two distinct political parties that cannot be joined, that cannot be confused, and that belong separately, participated in elections separately. Thokozani, Khupe, and MDCT participated and got 45,000 in the election in terms of votes. We participated. We got 2.6 million in the votes. So the distinction is very clear. What Mr. Mnangagwa is trying to do is to conflate the two so that he confuses it and he forces us to be part of what he wants through the political dialogue in the Pollard. So we have said we have nothing to do with that. What we want in Zimbabwe is to have clear dialogue that will address the fundamental issues of the day around governance, around the legitimacy crisis because of the disputed elections.